Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
This Crochet Basic Braid is a quick and easy edging that works around a blanket, scarf, shawl, hat, dishcloth, and more. To do this, I'm using worsted weight yarn and an I size 5.5mm crochet hook. This edging can be done along one side or around an entire blanket. Decide on the first stitch and insert the crochet hook that already has a slip knot on it. And then draw up the loop a bit on the taller side and proceed with making a slip stitch. Next, make a chain 1. Then, in the very next stitch, insert the crochet hook under both loops for this entire pattern. Draw up a loop a bit taller than what is usually made for a slip stitch, and then proceed with finishing the slip stitch. After that has been completed, make a chain 1, and continue on with this pattern for the remainder of the row. Insert the crochet hook into the next stitch, draw up a loop taller than a standard slip stitch, and then proceed with finishing the slip stitch. After that, make a chain 1. With this pattern, there is no multiple, so it works with any stitch pattern, including the more complicated ones. Once the first side has been completed, the work can be fastened off and the ends woven in. However, if this will be going around all 4 sides of a rectangular project like a blanket, there are choices to be made for the corner stitches. 1 slip stitch and chain 1 will make a very rounded corner. 2 sets of slip stitch and chain 1 will make a semi-rounded corner like I'm showing in my sample. And 3 sets of slip stitch and chain 1 will make a more square corner. Once the first corner is completed, continue working in pattern along the second side of the item using the same slip stitch, chain 1 method. At the end, I usually just slip stitch to the first stitch, then fasten off and weave in all remaining ends. And that's it. That's how I crochet a very basic braid edging for various crochet projects.